Have you ever wondered why India has snowy mountains in the north, huge deserts in the west, green forest in the east, and beautiful beaches in the south? Let's explore India's amazing relief features.
Reliefy features are the natural physical features found on the Earth's surface. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal plains, and islands are all relief features. Relief features influence climate, rivers, farming, transport, industries, forests, and the daily lives of millions of people across India. India is located in the northern hemisphere and is one of the largest countries in Asia. Its geographic location provides great diversity in climate and vegetation. India extends from about 8° north to 37° north latitude and 68° east to 97° east latitude. These imaginary lines help us find the exact location of places. India follows one standard time based on 82° 30° east longitude, called the Standard Meridian of India. This is known as Indian Standard Time or IST. Although the sun rises earlier in eastern India than in western India, the entire country follows one common time called Indian Standard Time. Millions of years ago, India was part of a giant ancient land called Gondwana Land. Later, this huge landmass slowly broke into smaller continents. The Indian plate slowly moved northward for millions of years. Finally, it collided with the much larger Eurasian plate. The collision pushed the Earth's crust upward. Over millions of years, the mighty Himalayas were formed. Rivers flowing from the Himalayas carried sand and soil. These materials formed the fertile northern plains over millions of years. India has 6 major relief divisions: the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the Thar Desert, and the islands. The Himalayas extend for about 2,400 kilometers from west to east. They form India's northern natural boundary. The Himalayas have 3 parallel mountain ranges. They are the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Geological range. Each range has its own unique features. The Greater Himalayas are the highest mountain range in India. They remain covered with snow throughout the year and contain many glaciers. The glaciers of the Greater Himalayas provide water to many perennial rivers. These rivers flow throughout the year. The Middle Himalayas lie between the Greater Himalayas and the Geological range. Many famous hill stations are located in this region. The Geological range is the southernmost and lowest Himalayan range. It was formed during the final stage of Himalayan formation.
After rivers cut through the Geological range, they formed flat valleys. These valleys are called duns in the west and duars in the east.
In the northeast, the Himalayas bend towards the south. This region is called the Purvangal and includes the Paki, Naga, Manapiri, Khasi, and Miji hills. The Himalayas play an important role in India's climate. They block the cold winds coming from Central Asia and protect northern India during winter. The mountain range stops the moisture-filled monsoon winds. As a result, the subcontinent receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. Many rivers begin in the Himalayas. Since glaciers feed these rivers, They flow throughout the year and are called perennial rivers. The Himalayan rivers carry fertile soil and deposit it in the northern plains. This makes the land ideal for agriculture. The Indo-Gangetic Plains were formed by the Indus, Gangai, and Bangabia rivers, Aprungian Nets and their tributaries. The northern plains have three divisions: the Western Plain, the Central Plain, and the Eastern Plain. The Western Plain was formed by the Indus River and its tributaries, including the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej rivers. The Central Plain is formed mainly by the Ganga and Yamuna rivers and their tributaries. It is one of the most fertile regions of India. The Eastern Plain lies mainly in Assam. It was formed by the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries. Near the foothills of the Himalayas, the Bhabar region has coarse pebbles. South of it lies the Terai region, which is rich in forests and fertile land. The Peninsular Plateau is the oldest landmass in India. It is surrounded by the sea on three sides and is rich in valuable mineral resources. The Peninsular Plateau has two main divisions. They are the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies south of the Narmada River. It has a gentle slope towards the east. The western regions run parallel to India's western coast. They are higher and more continuous than the eastern Ghats. The eastern Ghats are lower and not continuous. Many rivers flow across them into the Bay of Bengal. One important feature of the Peninsular Plateau is its black soil. This fertile soil was formed by ancient volcanic activity.